Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will be discussing cell injury for BSN second year students of pathophysiology. Cell injury. Students, in very simple words, cell injury may be defined as structural and functional changes which takes place in the cell in response to external stimuli or injury. I repeat, cell injury means structural and functional changes which takes place in the cell in response to the external stimuli or injury is called cell injury. Now, whenever there is a stimulus of injury for a cell, there are, students, three possibilities. Only three things will happen to each and every cell. Number one, either cell will return to the normal. It means after introduction of external stimulus or external injury to the cell will go back to its normal state of health when the stimulus is removed. This condition is called reversible cell injury. Second possibility is that the cell will try to adjust itself with the nature of the injury. Some structural and functional changes will take place inside the cell to keep up the life of the cell. In second possibility, cell try to live a life along with the stimulus of injury, and this condition is called adaptation. And in adaptation, students, there are different possibilities. For example, either the cell will show atrophy, hypertrophy, aplasia, hyperplasia, dystrophy, or metaplasia. All these are different types of cellular adaptations in response to cell injury. The third possibility is cell death. If the cell injury is prolonged and the cell could not live along the stimulus, then cell death will occur. And in cell death, we call it as irreversible cell injury. Irreversible cell injury, we have three types. Number one, necrosis. Necrosis is a type of irreversible cell injury. Then we have gangrene. Gangrene is a type of irreversible cell injury. And apoptosis. Apoptosis, cell suicide. It is irreversible cell injury. Okay, students, this was brief discussion about three types of cell injuries which takes place to the cell as a response of stimulus. Now, what are different types of stimuli which act as injury for the cell? For example, hypoxia. Causes of cell injury. Number one, hypoxia. Hypoxia means decreased oxygen concentration in the environment. Number two, physical agents. Physical agents like extremes of temperature, any mechanical trauma. Number third, chemical agents. Chemical agents, for example, drugs, poisons. Number four, immunologic reactions. As we have studied different types of hypersensitivity reactions. Number fifth cause is infectious agents Infectious agents like bacteria, viruses, fungi. Next, nutritional deficiencies. Students, nutritional imbalance may lead to cell injury. Genetic causes, for example, chromosomal abnormalities, gene dislocations, gene mutations. These are all varieties of genetic causes of cell injury. And number last, ischemia. Ischemia means loss of blood supply to the cell. So students, this was very brief about cell injury and its fate. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.